This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Daniel Parrish. Don't miss your chance to enjoy all this home and neighborhood has to offer. Step into a spacious, open living area that has recently undergone renovations, featuring new flooring and paint throughout the entire home, an updated kitchen west/granite countertops, stainless steel appliances. The 3 generously sized bedrooms each boast walk-in closets. Outside, a sizable backyard with a spacious deck awaits, perfect for entertaining. Ideally situated near excellent dining options, the interstate, and beaches. Birdneck Lake is a gem, hosting annual neighborhood events and providing amenities like a park and an expansive community pool. Additionally, a bike ride or short drive leads you to the beach, oceanfront boardwalk, pickleball/tennis courts, golf course, water park, and aquarium. For more information, review the details below.